In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start right from a clean browser so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred browser and search for TradingView. This helps you land on the official TradingView.com site without typing errors. From the results, click the official TradingView link to go to the home page. Once you're on TradingView, head to the search bar at the top. We're going to load a well-known market so the interface looks familiar. Type gold versus US dollar, also known as XAUUSD, and select it from the dropdown. That will take you to the symbol page, and from there you can open the full featured chart. On the chart, look for the Trade button. Clicking Trade opens the trading panel where supported brokers and connections appear. If you don't immediately see the panel, maximize the chart and make sure you're on the symbol page, then try again. Some layouts hide the panel, so this toggle is what brings it up. In the trading panel, find the small search icon. Click it to bring up the list of available brokers. In the search field, type OKX. You should now see OKX in the results. Click OKX to select it, and then choose Connect. This action links TradingView to your OKX account, so you can place orders directly from the chart. At this point, you may be redirected to an authorization window. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to approve the connection. Only proceed if you recognize the official pages, and never enter sensitive information anywhere else. If a pop-up blocker prevents the window from opening, allow pop-ups temporarily for TradingView, then try Connect again. After the connection is approved, the trading panel will show your broker status. From here, you can place trades, view balances, and manage orders without leaving the chart. If you're new or just testing, consider switching to paper trading first so you can practice safely. When you're ready for live orders, double-check your order size, leverage, and the account you're connected to before clicking buy or sell. That's the whole flow. Use Google to reach TradingView, search for gold versus US dollar to load a familiar chart, open the trade panel, use the search icon to find OKX, and click Connect to link your account. Pause the video as needed, and repeat each step at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.